This tutorial provides a straightforward guide on how to effectively search for users on Onlyfans. Whether you want to connect with your favorite creators or discover new content, these steps will help you navigate the platform with ease. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use, like for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any web browsers that are available on your computer or laptop. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type onlyfans.com. While we're on the website, log into your account. As you can see, mine is already on the website and already logged in. After logging into your account, click the search bar, which is located at the top right of the website screen. While we're in the search bar, type someone you want to search for, like for example, I search for Iggy Azalea, as you can see on the screen. After typing in who you want to search for, type the enter key to search for the users. As you can see, the person who I search for appears. Just click their highlighted name link, as you can see on the screen, to check their page. As you can see, I am on the page of Iggy Azalea. By following the steps, you can easily search for and connect with users on Onlyfans. Remember to use specific keywords and explore the profiles thoroughly to maximize your experience. Happy browsing!